Kinderbees!
A joyful learning.
Hi dear Kinderbees! Let's learn to write alphabets. Let's write A. Yay! A for apple. B. B. B for ball. C. C. C for cat. D. D. D for dog. E. E. E for get. F. F. F for fish. G. G. G for grapes. H. H. H for hat. I for ice cream. J. J. J for jam. K. K for kite. L for lotus. M for mango. N for nuts. O for orange. P. P for parrot. Q for queen. R for rat. S for sun. T for tub. U for umbrella. V. V for vulture. W. W for watermelon. X. X for Xmas tree. Y. Y for yacht. Z. Z for zebra.